Choosing a WordPress form plugin should be simple, but somehow it's not. You search best WordPress form plugin, open a few blog posts, watch a couple of videos, and instead of clarity, you get more confusion. Everyone picks a different winner. So, in this video, we're doing this differently. Today, we're breaking down Fluent Forms from a real user's point of view. What do you actually get for free? Is it really beginner friendly? Can you use it for a real business website? And what makes it better than some of the bigger WordPress form plugins? By the end of this video, you'll know whether Fluent Forms is the right choice for you or whether you should look somewhere else. So let's start with the thing most beginners care about. How easy is it to use? Honestly, this is one of the Fluent Form's strongest areas. The interface is clean, beginner friendly, and fast. You can start from scratch, choose a ready made template, create a conversational form, or even use the AI form builder. For example, you can type something like create a lead capture form from a digital marketing agency, and Fluent Forms can automatically generate a form for you. When you're inside the builder, Fluent Forms gives you over 35 input fields in the free tier. You get the essentials: name, email, text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, radio fields, custom HTML, and more. That means you can easily create an inquiry form, a product order form, a registration form, a feedback form, a simple support request form, and so much more. And this is where Fluent Forms starts to feel different from some other free plugins, because it is not just giving you the bare minimum, it gives you enough to build forms that are actually useful. On top of that, conditional logic allows you to show or hide fields based on what users select. For example, let's say you have a form that asks, what best describes you? And the options are business owner, student, freelancer, and agency owners. If someone selects business owner, you can show questions about company size or business goals. If someone selects student, they'll see questions about their course interest or learning level. This makes the form feel more personal and less overwhelming. And from a business point of view, it helps you collect better information without showing every field to every visitor. That is professional grade form behavior, and in Fluent Forms, it is available for free. Now, let's talk about something easy to underestimate: form experience. Most traditional forms show every field at once. Fluent Forms includes conversational forms, which show one question at a time. This can make the experience feel lighter, especially for surveys, applications, and onboarding forms. Instead of seeing a wall of fields, the visitor moves through the form step by step. And again, that is included in Fluent Forms free. Now, if you're selling services, products, or even appointments, there is another feature worth noting. Fluent Forms supports Stripe payments even in the free version. That means you can build simple payment forms without needing to upgrade to a premium plugin right away. But that's just half of the story. Now, let's move beyond the form builder itself. Once you've built your form, the settings panel is where a lot of the real utility lives. A few things worth highlighting. You can instantly redirect users after they submit a form, not just to a boring thank you message, but to a custom page. That could be a booking page, a product page, or even a page that continues the conversation. There's also an easy way to customize the form layout so your form does not have to look generic. And if you're running something limited like a workshop, an event, or a flash sale, you can actually cap submissions. So once you hit your limit, the form just stops collecting responses automatically. One click and the form is restricted to logged in users only, which is useful for membership sites or gated content. Want to block empty submissions or block submissions that contain specific words? You're in control. And yes, you can automate notifications, both for the user and for yourself. Users get instant confirmation emails, and you get notified the second someone fills out your form. No follow ups needed, it just works. And the PDF feeds lets you turn form entries into branded invoices, contracts, or summaries. then attach them to email notifications. But the flexibility doesn't stop at just building forms and publishing them. Every submission is automatically stored inside a centralized entries dashboard. You can view all entries across every form or filter down to a specific one. There is a search function that can help you find the right details anytime. Plus, to get the full picture, all you need is just a click on the view button. Even in the free version, you get access to basic reporting. Fluent Forms gives you a visual overview of how your forms are performing over time, submission trends, overview of how things are going, and which forms are getting the most activity. That kind of data usually costs money. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something business owners often underestimate. Fluent Forms works well with other WPManageNinja products like Fluent Booking, Fluent CRM, Fluent Community, and more. This matters because as your business grows, you usually do not want a bunch of disconnected tools that do not talk to each other. You want your forms, bookings, email marketing, community, project management tool, and other business workflows working together without breaking or constant monitoring. This is exactly what the Fluent ecosystem offers. And this is one of Fluent Form's underrated advantages. It is not just a form plugin, it can become a part of a larger WordPress business workflow. Now, to be fair, Fluent Forms is not perfect for every situation. If you need advanced automation, complex CRM workflows, deeper third party integrations, subscriptions, advanced payment logic, surveys, quizzes, or even more specialized business features, you may eventually need Fluent Forms Pro. But for beginners, freelancers, and small businesses, the free version is already strong enough for so many use cases. When people choose a form plugin, they usually look at one thing: features. But the real difference is speed, usability, workflow, and what happens after you install it. And Fluent Forms does a very strong job balancing all of that. Try it for yourself and see how it simplifies your form building experience in WordPress. Let us know in the comment section, what form plugin are you currently using and would you switch? And if you want more practical, no fluff WordPress breakdowns like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.